Hi everyone. When your cutter breaks, instead of buying a new one, today I'm going to show you how to make a small cutting tool that's actually really cool. Let's get started. When it comes to machines, the most important part is the motor. I'm going to use a DC775 motor. Take a T-shaped PVC connector to use as the outer casing for the motor. Make sure to drill a few small holes in it so air can flow through and help cool the motor. Make a bracket to support the motor shaft. And tighten the screws firmly so the motor runs smoothly and lasts longer. Install the motor inside the casing. Add a switch on the handle so it's easier and more convenient to use. Extend the handle a bit. Next is the power supply. Solder 2 wires from the switch to the electrical contact at the end of the handle. Glue everything down and tuck the wires neatly inside. Install a protective guard over the cutting disc to keep the user safe from debris, dust, and sparks while cutting. And that's it. Our project is complete. A small, handy cutting tool that's really useful for everyday life. What do you guys think about this cutter? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe to support our channel.